Do you like your van so far?
Yeah.
You looking forward to getting out in it?
Yeah.
Go fishing and stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah! Welcome to the channel. I said on the last one that I was going to do a bit of painting, so I saved you the torture of having to watch me do it. It's already been done. All the existing steel in the van that's going to be bare, or it's going to be on show once the van's complete, and I wanted that painted, so that's what I've done. I've undercoated it with a dark grey, and on this side, if you remember, or if you've seen it, I mentioned that I was going to maybe put some kind of graphic here, which I think I'm still going to do. So I said one coat of like a kind of light grey. The theme in here is like blue and grey, and maybe some red. So that's kind of what I'm kind of rolling with, albeit the cladding along the top and a bit of the side. The existing steel you can see grey, and then it's a kind of light grey there, and maybe some red graphic. So as I say, I've saved you having to watch me having to do it, so it's done, and I can move on to the auto carpet. The floor came, I'll get that done, and then I'll start, then I can move on to the cladding. Let's get on with it. One vent installed. Yeah, that's it from the inside. Albeit that it's still got a wee bit of tubing to go on, which won't be much, I don't think, to be honest. And obviously how it wired up and all that sort of stuff, but obviously that's it for the moment for the vent, until obviously I bring along the cladding and start working out what bits I need to cut, and I'll need to maybe stuff in more insulation, and then try and maybe, I've got a wee bit of this stuff left, just try and seal it up a wee bit. But all in all, I'm quite happy with that. I'll definitely do a job for the amount of time I'll be spending in the van. As I say, I'm not being here full time, so that's a job. Oh, and on the same subject of the vent, I've got a couple of wind deflectors there that I'm going to install at either side of the doors. So at night, it's just a case of opening up the windows a little bit, and that gives you a circulation for the air to escape. Time to get auto carpeting. Well, they're cut to size, and I've decided to do it out in the garden. There's a bit more room to move and ventilation and what have you, so it should be a pretty straightforward job. Let's get on with it. And easy it was. That was five panels, one to the side sliding door, and the 4 panels for the 2 back doors, and I don't think that took any longer than half an hour. A wee tip though, I will say, that if you've got holes already in the wood, it's easy to lose them once you glue this side over. So the best thing I suggest is, once you've glued the face, is to get a star screwdriver or whatever and pop the holes back through, so when you flip it over, you know where your holes are. You know what I mean? Because they can get lost, so to speak. A bit dark in here, but that's the back doors done. Yeah, once the cladding's done, obviously get the floor down, so it's starting to take shape. Was tossed and turning. While they start laying the floor, I'll just move on to the cladding. But with being dry, I thought just put the flare down. Just get it down and out the way. That way, all the work's just inside for the cladding. Doesn't matter what the weather's like. I'll put a wee bit of carpet nosing along here, and also along here, just to finish it off. Take that rough look away. Plus, it'll stop it from flipping back and becoming a trip hazard or dog eating. So yeah, quite happy with that. That's out the road. On to the cladding. Right, so I've made a start on the cladding. Start it on the bulkhead. Take it as high up as possible, and then when I start taking in the ceiling, I start wanting it back and that. But I'm going to cut it here for this one, and on the next one I'll pick it up for here. So if you like what you see, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.